Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain solution of differential equation using method of undetermined coefficient. In the last video, I have explained solution of differential equation using variation of parameter methods. These two techniques are applicable for differential equation with constant coefficient. Let us start one second order ordinary differential equation with constant coefficient. So let us have y double dash plus ay dash plus by equal to f of x. So this is the non-homogeneous second order differential equation where a and b are constant. So this is the differential equation with constant coefficient. In the previous video, I have explained the solution of this differential equation will be in two parts. One part will be complementary function. So we say in the short form CF plus particular integral. So this complementary function is solution of homogeneous part of this differential equation, and the particular integral will try to find using method of undetermined coefficient. So the first part already I have discussed in the previous video, so please refer my previous video for finding the complementary function. In this video, I am going to explain how to find the particular integral using method of undetermined coefficient. So this method of undetermined coefficient is based on the non-homogeneous part of differential equation. Here we have to see fx, what is your non-homogeneous part, and based on non-homogeneous part we take the trial solution. We take the trial solution y. So based on this fx we'll have the trial solution y, and once you get the y, so we'll have the y dash and y double dash, substitute in the main equation and try to get the unknown coefficient involving in this y. So based on the fx we'll write the trial solution. So let us have type of fx. So the first fx can be exponential function. Let us have e power alpha x. Means sometime we can have y double dash plus ay dash plus by equal to exponential fx. So here the first the non-homogeneous part is the exponential function. So we take trial solution here. Trial solution y will be some a0 e power alpha x, where a0 is the unknown coefficient here. So we find the y dash, y double dash, substitute in the main equation and try to get this a0. So once you get the a0, so this is your particular integral, and already we'll have the CF. So we can write the general solution y equal to CF plus pi. So when we have exponential e power alpha x, so your trial solution will be a0 e power alpha x, where a0 is the unknown coefficient. The second fx can be polynomial, like we can have y double dash plus ay dash plus by equal to some polynomial we can have, whether it is a linear polynomial or quadratic polynomial. Let us have some quadratic polynomial here. So for this fx, so fx is polynomial here, x square plus 2x plus 1. So trial solution will be y will be general form of quadratic equation. So it can be a0 x square plus a1x plus a2. So this is the trial solution. Here based on this fx, if polynomial is quadratic, so we'll have the general form of quadratic equation, and if you have this linear, so we'll have the general form of linear equation. So based on this fx, we can write general form of polynomial, and from here a0, a1, a2 all three are unknowns, and we can find out the y dash, y double dash, substitute in the main equation and try to get this coefficient a0, a1, a2 using the compare the coefficient both side, and this once you get this a0, a1, a2, so this will be your particular integral. So this is the second type of fx, that is the polynomial, and first part was exponential. So the third type of fx will be trigonometric function. So let us have fx will be some sin ax, or we can have cos ax, or we can have combination of sin and cos. So we can have alpha sin ax plus beta cos ax. So these are the non-homogeneous part of the differential equation. It can be either sin x or cos x, or alpha sin ax plus beta, combination of these two. In this case, we'll have the trial solution y will be combination of sin and cos. So it will be a0 sin ax plus a1 cos ax. So this is the trial solution of trigonometric function sin cos or combination of sin and cos. So here a0 and a1 is the unknown coefficient. We need to find out. The fourth part is combination of all these, either combination of exponential and trigonometric function, or exponential polynomial, or polynomial with trigonometric function. So let us see how to deal with combination of all these three functions. So if we have e power alpha x and sin ax, if this is your non-homogeneous part, so your trial solution will be, I'll write here trial solution. Trial solution will be exponential. So this we already know. See, this will be some coefficient, some a0 e power alpha x, and for sin x we'll have a combination of sin ax plus cos ax. But if you see carefully, if you multiply by a0 with a1, one new constant will come. If you multiply this a0 with a2, one new constant will come. So we can have e power alpha x and a1 dash sin ax plus a2 dash cos ax. So this is the trial solution for combination of exponential and trigonometry function. So it can be either sin x, or it can be cos ax, or combination of these two. So this is the trial solution. We can have exponential alpha x, a1 sin ax plus a2 cos ax. If fx equal to exponential ax, x square plus 1, it means the combination of exponential and polynomial, then we can have the trial solution y equal to e power alpha x. So we can have general equation of the quadratic. So a0 x square plus a1 x plus a2. So this is the trial solution for combination of exponential and polynomial, where a0, a1, a2 are unknown coefficient. We need to find out. If we have combination of polynomial and trigonometry function x square plus 1 cos ax, So the trial solution will be x square plus 1 means we can have a0 x square plus a1 x plus a2, and we can have cos ax plus a0 dash x square plus a1 dash x plus a2 dash sin ax. So this is the trial solution for combination of polynomial and cos x. So either cos x or it can be sin x or combination of these two. So here we have six unknowns: a0, a1, a2, a0 dash, a1 dash, a2 dash. So we need to find the six unknown coefficient using the differential equation. So these are the possible way to write the trial solution. Now one more point we have here: if non-homogeneous part, if the non-homogeneous function match with any part of complementary function, so we need to little modify the trial solution. If the non-homogeneous part is matched with any part of complementary function, then we need to modify the trial solution. You have to just multiply by x. So whatever trial solution we have previous, if it is matching with the complementary function, then we have to multiply by x. So let us have one example here for this. So we have suppose d square plus 5d plus 6 y equal to 2e power minus 3x. So this is the given differential equation. So we write the complementary function. First we write the auxiliary equation, so that will be m square plus 5m plus 6 equal to 0, which imply m equal to minus 2 minus 3. So your complementary function CF will be C1 e power 2x plus C2 e power minus 3x. Now if you see this exponential minus 3x, and here in the non-homogeneous part exponential minus 3x, both are matching. So if you write the trial solution as usual, so we'll write the trial solution here. Trial solution, simply y equal to, it should be a0 exponential minus 3x. This we know, but since the non-homogeneous part is matching with the complementary function, so we need to modify the trial solution. Y will be a0 x exponential minus 3x. So this is your modified trial solution when the non-homogeneous part is matching with the complementary function. If you go ahead with this trial solution, so we won't get value of a0. You can check, we can move with this, so we won't get the value of a0. So here we this a modified trial solution. So this is the trial solution. So we find out the y dash, y double dash, and substitute in the main equation and try to get this a0. So let us see what is the value of a0. So we have equation y double dash plus 5y dash plus 6y equal to 2e power minus 3x. So the value of y double dash will be a0 and minus 6 e power minus 6x plus 9x e power minus 3x plus 5y dash. So a0 will be common for all. So we can have 5 e power minus 3x and minus 15x e power minus 3x plus 6y. So we can have 6 a0 and y will be x e power minus 3x equal to 2 e power minus 3x. So this is the equation. Now we solve for y0 and simplify. Then this x e power minus x part will be 0 because 9 and 6 15, so this will be cancelled. So we get minus a0, we get minus a0 e power minus 3x equal to 2 e power minus 3x. So if you compare the coefficient, so we get a0 equal to minus 2. So your particular solution y will be, it was a0 x e power minus 3x. So now it will be minus 2x e power minus 3x. So this is your particular solution, and so we can write the final answer y equal to CF plus PI. So CF already we have, that is C1 e power minus 2x plus C2 e power minus 3x plus particular integral, so that will be minus 2x e power minus 3x. So this is the general solution of the given differential equation. So complementary function will have the arbitrary constant C1 and C2. Particular solution, particular integral don't have any constant. And these two arbitrary constant we can remove using the initial boundary condition. If the boundary condition is given in the differential equation, so we can apply and get the value of C1 and C2. Let us have one more example. dq plus 3d square plus 2dy equal to x square plus 4x plus 8. So auxiliary equation will be m cube plus 3m square plus 2m equal to 0. So we have the three roots, 0, minus 1, minus 2. So your complementary function y will be c1 plus c2 e power minus x plus c3 e power minus 2x. Now if you write the trial solution, so the usual trial solution will be, since we have quadratic equation in the non-homogeneous part, so we can write trial solution y. I'll write here trial solution y will be a0 x square plus a1 x plus a2. But if you see carefully, so here we have the constant term 8, and in the complementary function we have one constant term here c1. So already I have told you, if the non-homogeneous part is matching with the complementary function, so we need to modify trial solution by multiplying x. So the modified trial solution y will be a0 x cube plus a1 x square plus a2 x. So this is your y. So we find out the y dash. So y dash will be 3 a0 x square plus 2a1 x plus a2, and y double dash will be 6 a0 x plus 2a1. Now, and y triple dash, we need y triple dash because this is the third order differential equation. So we have 6 a0. Now we substitute this y dash, y double dash and y triple dash in the main differential equation and try to compare the coefficient and get the value of this a0, a1 and a2. So we got y dash, y double dash, y triple dash, and you substitute in the main equation and try to find this a0, a1, a2. So y triple dash is 6a0 plus 3 y double dash is 6a0x plus 2a1 plus 2 and y dash is 3a0x square plus 2a1x plus a2 equal to x square plus 4x plus 8. Now if you simplify and compare the coefficient of x square, x and constant term, so we get a0 equal to 1 by 6, we get a1 equal to 1 by 4, and the last a2 equal to 11 by 4. So your particular solution was y equal to, it was x and a0 x square plus a1 x plus a2. So it become a0 equal to 1 by 6. So x cube by 6 plus a1 is 1 by 4. So x square by 4 plus a2 is 11 by 4x. So we can write the general solution y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So the complementary function y will be c0 plus c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power minus 2x plus particular integral, that will be x cube by 6 plus x square by 4 plus 11 by 4x. So this will be the answer in the two parts. One is complementary function and second is particular integral. So here we have discussed two methods. One is method of undetermined coefficient, and in the last video I have explained method of variation of parameter. So these two method is applicable for finding the particular integral, and the finding CF is common for both methods. Okay, thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe. Thanks.